Here's one for the Mopar fans and muscle car fans alike. Look at this black beauty. 2022 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Redeye. Best of all, listen to this. 831 mile, a one owner, clean Carfax, and it can be yours. This thing looks like it just came out of the wrapper. There's no doubt about that. All right, pitch black exterior, as you can see, black leather interior. That 6.2 liter V8 supercharged HO engine underneath the hood. Torque Flight, 8-speed, automatic transmission, of course, shiftable on the steering wheel. Look at that front end. Menacing. Still has the to be removed by dealer protective chin spoiler covers on each corner. Of course, your modern amenities underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. All right, first of all, tell you where to look at all the still pictures. There'll be close to 100 pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, car from every angle. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. It's riding on the 20-inch brass monkey forged wheels. Look at that. Pirelli radial tires. All right, I'll hit on some of the highlights as far as the options on the window sticker. I won't be able to get into everything this has. I will put a copy of the window sticker, picture of the window sticker, what have you, in with the still pic. So if you want to see exactly how this thing is loaded up, how it was equipped from the factory, go ahead and check that window sticker out. You can see up and down this passenger side just what you'd expect. There's no dings, scratches, anything major. Black paint showing beautifully. One of the options it does have, power sunroof. It also, as I mentioned earlier, that $11,600 option, the Redeye package. It also has the SRT black package, Harman Kardon audio group with subwoofer, the demonic red seat belts, satin black performance spoiler, as we can see back here. Look at the reflection in that black paint. It's like a mirror finish. Uconnect with navigation. I've not noticed any modifications on the car. Complete exhaust, it's all there. Brakes are 100% in the front and rear. Technician took it for a quick spin. This thing drives out like it's new. And it looks like it too. And as I said earlier, uniqueclassiccars.com. Right around 100 pictures of this car online on our website. If you like Mopars, you like muscle cars, fast cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when they're uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right up our showroom floor. We're going to start this up. Let's hear it run. Take a quick peek underneath the hood. I believe Jason's going to take it for a quick drive too. Let you hear it, see how it goes down the road. It's going to go down the road like a new car. We know that. All right, I love this seating. See the houndstooth inlay. SRT embroidering. White stitching. Here's those demonic red seat belts. I never realized they were called that before until I noticed it on this window sticker. Yes, the exact miles, if you can see that. 8, see, there you go, 837. And yes, it still smells like new in here. Still has the plastic over the Uconnect screen. Let's fire it up. Make sure I got the key first. All right, now I got the key. One other thing I wanted to mention too, it looked like there was a little note, a tag, Mopar oil filter tag, and then Schaefer's OW40 oil was used. Which is good oil, obviously. Nothing wrong with that Schaefer's. So obviously everything functioning inside here. Your steering wheel controls, paddle shifter, steering wheel shifters, gauges, no service engine lights, check engine lights, anything like that. Dual climate control, all of your good stuff with your launch control, different settings. And again, I'm not going to get into all that. If you're looking at getting into one of these cars and purchasing one, you know as much, if not more, about it than I do. I can just tell you the history and the condition of this one, and it is a beauty. I think we better listen. Probably take a peek underneath the hood. Hood liner, again, like new. This thing's, like I said earlier, this came out of the wrapper. .2 liter. Heavy supercharged HO engine. No surprises underneath here either. It's a clean car, folks. If you're looking for one of these, doubt you'll find many nicer. 2022 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Redeye. $11,600 package for that. 837 miles, clean Carfax, one owner. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a like new, honestly it's got to be like new, 2022 Dodge Challenger Hellcat with less than 900 miles, less than 850 miles, should I say. An automatic or paddle shift or bump shift. So if you want it to be easy, just leave it and drive. Put your foot down and it makes some nice nasty noises. This is a fun car to drive, plenty of power, plenty of roar coming out the tailpipe when you want it to. When you're cruising, there is no drone. It is nice and just a little bit thumpy the way you'd want it in the exhaust note. HVAC system working great, easy to use. Look at these giant single touch switch of direction you can do. Of course, the AC is blowing nice and cold. Multi-position seat, power on the driver's seat. We have heated seats in this car. We have steering wheel controls, all the modern amenities wrapped up in a Hellcat. You haven't heard of a Hellcat. That's where you take the Challenger, which is the iconic muscle car from Dodge, make a brand new version of it for 2022, and then make it faster. Beautiful car. Real needles on our gauges for the tachometer and for the speedometer. Plus, in the middle, we've got a digital speedometer, digital temperature. She runs about 190, which is where you want it. The fuel gauge a little under half. Not even leather or vinyl, because you stick to those. This is a cloth seat. The looks awesome and you don't stick to it. Black interior, black exterior, looking great. That spoiler, love the look. Check out all the pictures of this 2022 Dodge Challenger Hellcat at uniqueclassiccars.com.